Síguela en YouTube, ponte a verla en YouTube para que tú veas ella.
Tú no puedes inventar así. Girl. It must be nice. Another blush. Winter. Because it's all about the eyes. Hey bestie, welcome back to another video. Today we're doing this Euphoria makeup look. If you're interested in seeing how I did this look, you can keep on watching. Hope you enjoy. Okay, so I have some ideas of what I want my makeup to look like. So finally taking this post-it off because this is what I've been wanting to do for like over 6 months. I have the Danessa Myricks. This is the Lightwork Volume 4 Transcendence palette. And this is what it looks like. Very pretty. So I'm going to work with that. I might work with some glitters. This is some of the glitters from Hip Dot palette. I think this is discontinued, as well as this one too. I'm trying to figure out what I want to do. And this is also Hip Dot palette. This is the limited edition Pride Press Glitter palette. I also have this Lisa Frank eyeshadow palette. This is Morphe with Lisa Frank, and these are the colors. This is definitely expired, but I'm still using it because it's so pretty. And I don't have any colorful palettes like this. Let's work on the eyes. I'm gonna go in with the Benefit Precisely My Brow pencil in the number 5. Let's zoom you guys in a little more. Yes. I'll just fill in a little bit of my brows. Going in with the House of Labs. This is the concealer in 32 medium golden. You know the dealio. And then I'm gonna put some on my lid. We're gonna do a nice bold makeup look today. So that's done. All right, I'm gonna start with the One Size translucent powder. It's gonna take some of that and then just press it on the eye. All right, that's done. So let's move on to the colors. All right, so I'm thinking to do like a purple pink look. I have 2 inspirations. I have this inspiration, and I also have this type of inspiration. I think it's really pretty. What do I want? Do I want like a cut crease look? Do I want like a seamless colors blend into each other look? So I'm figuring that out. I just kind of like improvise as I go, you know? I like it. I like when the colors blend into each other. I don't know why I don't really like a cut crease. Because I also have hooded eyes. So a cut crease doesn't really... What is this line? Y me pica también. I don't know what it is. Sometimes I have like weird little... Anyways. Because I have hooded eyes. So like I don't have much space on my crease. So that's why I don't really do like cut creases like that. I have a lot of brow bone space. So that's why I like to have colors that just blend into each other instead of like a cut crease, because that just doesn't really look good on me. And I swatched some things, some of the eyeshadows, because there's in the Danessa Myricks palette they have some aqua chrome, so you have to like spray it on the brush and, you know, work with it. And it really is like smudge proof, because I'm like moving it around and like I barely have anything on my finger. So this is pretty good, but I'm still trying to figure out like what to do. Well, you know what I'm gonna do? So from this Lisa Frank palette, I'm gonna take this one. This is called Violet and Velvet. I'm gonna put that on my crease. Let's start off with this color and see what we're gonna do after. All right, so I'm gonna start at the corner, swirl it in the corner right here, and then bring it into the crease, and I'm gonna put it right here. So I think I'm gonna do color in the inner corner, outer corner crease, and then like that pink right in the middle. I like to drag it up a little bit higher so I can add different colors. My foot is falling asleep. Oh, why? Let's zoom you guys in a little more. Hello, how you doing? I want to bring it out a little more. So I want to take a smaller brush like this, and now put some purple in here. Blend in and make sure it's not patchy on top. Okay, now I'm gonna do the same thing to the other eye. So I'm gonna take this Awakening shade. This is a velvet chrome, so you can't really see it, but it's kind of like a green, purple, blue color. So I'm gonna put that in the outer corner and into the crease, and then just blend it in. You can't really see it. It's so pretty, oh my goodness. Really, like, you can see that it's kind of like blue, and it goes into like a purple. It's so pretty. Oh my goodness, I love this. I still want to leave this space open because I'm going to go in with Paradise after. And this is like a pink, purple chrome flake. So we're going to do that next. Now we want to blend these two shades together. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this shade right here. This is Sky, and mix it with this shade here, which is Tikani. I'm literally like freehanding this. And then I just blend it in the middle. Sometimes I can add a little more blue and continue to blend it. Add some more purple. Two colors again. You don't want to have anything harsh. I definitely look crazy right now, but just wait, my darling. Trust the process. So I'm gonna take another blending brush. It's always good to have at least like 3 to 4 blending brushes. Now what I wanna do, I wanna have a little more lighter on top. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, which is called Hunter. Take that and kind of mix it with this color right here, which is called Lollipop. Mix these two. Tap the excess and kind of go on top right here. See the difference? It's like a little more subtle. Same thing. Put a little bit on like this outer edge. On top. So you see how there's not much harsh lines here? And that's what you keep doing. You keep like blending just to make sure there are no harsh lines at all. Now we're gonna go in with that chrome, these chrome flakes. So you're supposed to swipe it and then tap the chrome flakes. So that's what I'm gonna do. Let's just put that right in the middle. This is like a nightclub look. Let's add a little more glitter. Love it. Because we want to just have like a little more shine, a little more brillo. Okay, so I'm going to take this color right here from this Hip Dot Crystals palette. So with these, you can use a brush. I'm going to take some of that and then just press it on here. You see that difference? Love it. Oh my gosh. Chrome with glitter. It's like, oh, like caramel and chocolate. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. And this is perfect. This is the same color as the chrome. I just keep patting on the glitter. Okay. I think that's pretty good. So now we're gonna just blend that crease. Just want to blend also the top part. Make sure that's okay. I may want to add, let me add some more of that like blue little glitter right here. All right, now we can clean up the eyes and then move on to the face and then finish the eye look afterwards.
Ay, está maquillando. ¿Esto es un video?
Mhm.
Mira qué linda.
Hola.
Hola.
¿Cómo estás?
Bien, ¿y tú?
Bien,
Poniéndote
bien.
bella,
Ajá.
pero ya eres bella.
Ay, gracias.
Síguela en YouTube, ponte a verla en YouTube para que tú veas a ella.
Okay, so I want to just make this glitter a little more. I want to just even it out some more. I'm going to put this shade right here, and this is Dashly. Then I'm gonna take this purple color right here, and this is in the shade Sky. Sit in the middle and then drag it to the end. I'm gonna darken my lashes with the Cali Ray Come Hell or High Water. Ooh, why don't we go for this like deep purple? This is, oh, there's no name to it. Take that same brush. So I'm gonna put a little bit under on my lower lash line. Okay, great. Now I'm gonna go in with the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Setting Spray. And now we need Dramatic Lash. I don't know what it is, but this is the Lily Lashes 3D Faux Mink Lashes in the style Beverly Drive. I just love using this lash. It's freaking gorgeous. I'm gonna use the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive. Look how dramatic, oh my God. I'm in love with myself. My whole world is fire. Lashes are perfect for the look. Love it. So I'm gonna take the Patrick Ta. This is Precision Lip Crayon in She Must Be New. Now we're gonna use this Fenty Gloss Bomb in Fuchsia Flex. I look like that freaking bartender from Shrek.
He has a face that looks like it was carved by angels.
All I'm missing is a freaking mole. This is what I'm talking about. Like when you do like bold makeup, tú no puedes inventar así. Ooh, you know what I can do? I can probably put like a little pink in the middle. This is the Buxom Power Line in Hush Hush Henna. I'm just gonna take this MAC lipstick in Yash in the middle. I'm gonna put this Fenty Gloss Bomb in Sweet Mouth. This is nice. This lipstick is good. Girl. Okay, so I'm gonna use a highlighter. This is a Fenty Beauty Diamond Bomb in Rosé Rave. I wish I was going out tonight to just like wear this look out, you know? All right, let's fix this hair up a little bit. Oh. I feel like I should add some mascara to my lower lash line just to intensify my bottom lashes a little bit. This is the final look. I love it. It's so cute. If I were to go to like a rave, I would just add literally like a good chunk of like glitter here. Or I would add pieces from like this. Add like some crystals to the look and make it more euphoria, like techno rave style. Yeah, I think that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.